My intuition is telling me there'll be better days.
What's up, fam? Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be an unboxing, and it is going to be an unboxing of the Allure beauty box for the month of June. Yeah, you guys, I'm lucky I know what day it is and what my name is. I'm pretty sure it's for June. If not, you guys will tell me in the comments below. But Allure is a beauty subscription box that retails for $15 a month. It's definitely up there with one of my favorites, but just like any other subscription box, they can be hit or miss. Some boxes are like amazing and others are just like eh. So I'm wondering where the hell my Ipsy Plus is. I usually get Ipsy first, and I've gotten my BoxyCharm, now I've gotten my Allure, and my Ipsy is MIA. So we will see. But if you would like to see what I got in my box for the month of June 2019, then keep on watching. And if you do like this video, please let me know by giving it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave. And I do have a giveaway going on right now. I will link that right here. And don't forget that I will have a question of the day at the end of the video if you are interested in hearing and answering that. Alright, so let's get into the box real quick. I tried out a new soap design. Ooh! I think it came out like super pretty, and I used cream cheese frosting scent. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. I've been cleaning my brushes and sponges with it, and I keep smelling my sponge when I was putting my powder on. I'm like, I want to eat it, but I won't. All right, moving right along. So here is what the pamphlet looks like. Okay, yeah, let's get into it. We have a $20 gift from Bobble Bar, which they have given us before. So this month's bag, I don't want to give it anything away, is neon green. I'm just loving the neon vibes. So let's get into the products, shall we? Oh no, my bag broke. Cheap piece of shit. Like the little... Alright, whatever. So the first product is the Brow Gal eyebrow pencil, and this is in medium brown. Okay, so we got a little spoolie on one end, and on the other end it does have a sharpener, which I like. And here is the pencil. So this is in medium brown number 4, and it retails for $23. So it says a lot of brow pencils are so creamy that they can look fake. Not this one. It has the perfect waxy consistency for creating believable fullness that's not too heavy or too uniform. So I have tried a few Brow Gal products before, and I really like them. So I'm excited to see how this performs. I actually do prefer when it's a sharpenable pencil, because you can get that really like crisp, clean point and get your brows very precise. Some of the like brow pencils that you can't sharpen, they can get kind of dull and you can't be so precise with them. So I'm excited to try this. Alright, the next product is this Moroccan oil treatment. So this is 0.34 ounces, and it retails, full size retails for $44. I actually have tried this before, and I do like it. The only thing is my hair has gotten like so thin that I try not to use oils on them anymore because it will weigh my hair down. But if you are someone who does like oils, this is a really good oil. So the next product is this Avene Thermal Spring Water. This hydrating facial mist will be in my purse from now until Labor Day. I take it everywhere because it's great for soothing hot, irritated skin. Blah, blah, blah. Okay, so this retails for $18.50, and this is 1.6 ounces. So I actually have tried this before. I mean, it is very like soothing and refreshing, but it's honestly just like it's spring water that you're spraying on your face. Like I like to use like setting sprays or anything, especially on my breaks at work, because that's when I'm like starting to get like really tired, and this like just helps kind of wake me up. Okay. Floss, my new favorite lip gloss. Okay, this looks like full size. It retails for $16, and the shade I got is Yule, Y-U-L. Alright, this formula is thin, so it feels lightweight and comfortable on lips. Alright, I think that is definitely cute packaging, but I mean, what is this, just like a clear? Yeah, it's just like clear. Oh shit, and I just got it everywhere. Okay, it's a nice consistency, but I mean, it's just like a clear gloss. Like, we can't do any better than this at this point. It does have a little bit of a scent, kind of like a frosting scent, but not as heavy. Like, really, I don't know. I mean, I guess it would be good for, it's good for summer just to have like a nice clear gloss, but alright. Alright, the next product is Context Vitamin C All Day Eye Cream. This is 0.5 ounces and full size. This looks like full size. Retails for $35. It's not a cream, it's a gel. It dries quickly but not tightly, and I noticed slight depuffing and subtle brightening immediately after using it. Okay, I love getting eye creams. I actually needed a new one, and I do like when they include vitamin C in them because it does give it like a brightening effect. I feel like I've gotten this brand before from Allure, but I don't remember how I felt about it. It must not have been like that impressive, but I am definitely down to try it again. And the last product is this SGX NYC The Do It All 3-in-1 Dry Texture Spray. So it says volume and refresh and hold. Dry shampoo meets hairspray. Okay. Like, shows you the picture of it in the back, but it doesn't tell you any info on it. Is it, hold on, let me see if it's somewhere else. No, definitely not. Okay, so I don't know how much it retails for, but it says revitalize next day hair with instant freshness, full of texture and volume for that perfectly imperfect undone look. All right, let's test her out. It has a nice fresh scent. It's not like too sticky like a hairspray. Alright, I mean, it's cute. Overall, I am not impressed with this box. I am most excited for the eyebrow pencil and the eye cream and maybe this. This will be going in a giveaway because these are definitely not bad products at all, and if someone else will get some use out of them, that makes me happy. So let me know what you think about my Allure box. Allure, I'm very disappointed in you this month. Alright, but let's get on to a question of the day. It's not even funny. What's the craziest thing you've ever done, and would you do it again? I would have to say the craziest thing I've ever done was I went on a trip with my friend's family to Las Vegas when I was in high school, and by Circus Circus, they had a bungee jumping thing, and I'm like, I want to go bungee jumping, but I was 16, so I had to have an adult sign for me. So my friend's mom signed for me to go bungee jumping, and I went bungee jumping. My friend would not do it, so I went all by myself. Would I do it again? Probably not. I mean, it was like fun, but now with my back, like, no, that would just not be happening. It like snaps your neck, and but I couldn't believe I did that, especially by myself. But yeah, let me know your answer to any one of the questions in the comments below, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you next time. Bye.